So I'll be showing you how to hard factory reset your Roku TV. Now a hard reset is basically a reset on the hardware. Now I'm using a Roku device. This is a Roku Express 4K Plus, but it should be more or less the same instructions for any Roku TV or any Roku device. Okay. Now on this particular Roku device, I do have a reset button. Okay, so you can see it right here next to the power cable, this little button here. That is the reset button, and in fact it says reset. So what you need to do is grab a pen or something that's not very sharp, and what you want to do is press that button and hold it in for a couple of seconds. Okay, so I'm using a pen here, so press and hold. Just keep holding for about 10 seconds. The whole thing goes off. And then now let's release. So the Roku TV should boot back up. So as you can see, we have been returned to the initial setup screen, and that means the hard reset was successful. Okay, so now you can just pair your remote and set up your Roku afresh. Now different Roku devices and TVs have different reset buttons, so you might have to look for your specific device reset button and press it the way I've shown you. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.